A double chamber cob oven. Who here has thought to themselves, one of these days I'm going to build a cob oven? Yeah, this is like a really common thing. Yeah, 2005 called and they want their cob oven back. So the double chamber cob oven is this weird thing, and it's like, because now that we have the rocket stove stuff, they burn so much cleaner. Why would you ever want to? Because when you look at the stuff on the left, you can see that big black splotch on it. And then this one here, this has got smoke pouring out of it. All that smoke makes me think, no, I'm not going to fool with that. That's damn nasty. I mean, like, we're supposed to be cleaning the air. We want cleaner air, and then we're putting all this smoke up. Surely there's something better. And Ernie Wisner, on the right there, came up with better. He came up with something where it has two chambers. One is the main regular cob oven chamber, and the other one has got some rockety stuff. You can kind of see the flame shooting out of the top right there. So it's got some of the rockety stuff. It's not as clean as our rocket stuff, but it is really, really clean. And as he takes the door on and off, you can see it go from smoky like your regular cob oven to like burning very clean again. So, but the thing is that if you're going to do a cob oven, this is the one you want to look at. And I convinced, for years, Ernie and Erica, they just gave all the information away for free. And they would send Erica off to work these minimum wage jobs to make ends meet. And so I said, you got to stop doing that. You guys need to be working on rocket mass heaters all the time, not going to some lame minimum wage job. So I asked them to make plans, and they've made plans for their double chamber cob oven and some of their rocket mass heaters, and you can buy those plans. And I'm proud to say that they are no longer working at some suck minimum wage job.